In this problem we have 222 divided by 222 divided by 222 times 222. According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 222 divided by 222, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 222 times 222. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 222, which can be written as 1 over 222 times 222. Now we can easily cancel this 222 and this 222, which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.